how to check Android phone activation date. So if you want to check your Android phone activation date, then first you need to open up your dial pad. Under your dial pad, you need to search for star hash 06 hash. And once you've searched here, you will get your IMEI codes. So you just need to simply copy the IMEI code. Once you've copied, you can go back and you can open up your Google or your browser, anything that you're comfortable with. And then here you need to go for the search and search for IMEI check activation date. And here you will get all of the websites, so you can simply go with any one of these. And here you need to enter the code which you have just copied and then press check. And once you tap on check, here you will get all of the information. So under the basic information, you will have the activation date. You can go for expand and then you will have the date right here. So that's how you can get the activation date, or that's how you can get the information about your phone. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.